Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now when it comes to variety rices, I've made several recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out. Now adding to that list of recipes, today we're going to make this very special raw mango rice. Now it's a very flavorful rice and it's perfect for the mango season. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the mango rice, I've taken one large raw mango. I'm just going to cut half of the mango. I've peeled off the skin. So I'm going to cut half and use this half for the mango rice. So depending on the quantity of rice, you can take the mango. So you can see I've grated the mango. This is the large size grater. For the raw mango rice, take a nice white kadai or a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. First I'm going to temper a few ingredients. Next add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon Cumin Seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, add a few red chilies, add about 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Once the peanuts are roasted, add half teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida powder and some fresh curry leaves. Next add the grated raw mango. After adding the raw mango, add about 3 green chilies chopped, a piece of ginger chopped. So if you want to cut down on the spice, you can cut down on the green chilies. If you feel it's too spicy, you can add about 2 green chilies. Next add a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a quick mix. So add the cooked rice. For this recipe I am using the long grain rice, but you can use any rice that you normally eat at home and give it all a mix. The raw mango rice looks absolutely delicious. You can see it's all blended well. The raw mango rice is done. Remove it and serve it hot with some nice papad by the side. So there you go. Here is this delicious, nice, tangy, spicy raw mango rice. Now actually I'm salivating just talking about it. So it's a very, very flavorful rice. You can enjoy it with some nice papad by the side. It's a meal by itself. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.